Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
One of the goals that people set in their lives is to buy a house of their own, leaving the monthly rent payment in the process. It's a very exciting event. But what if your house hides something else? When buying a house, it's normal to find objects forgotten by the previous owners and sometimes even discover unexpected surprises. That's what happened to John Sims, a firefighter from Tucson, Arizona. The man bought a new house thinking that everything would be normal, but boy was he wrong. When John started the buying and selling process, the previous owner told him that there were certain rumors regarding the house. These rumors claimed that something mysterious was buried in the backyard, and no one dared discover it. Upon learning of these rumors, John, already the owner of the house, decided to act and discover what is buried in his garden. So one fine day, shovel in hand, he began digging in his backyard, unsure if he'd find anything or if they were just rumors. John impulsively started digging holes in his backyard. Before long, he dug 4 different holes. His garden was completely destroyed, and there was still no sign that anything was buried. John was disappointed and stopped searching for a while. A few days later, a new plan occurred to him. He went to the municipality to request information about his house. Some of the data John already knew, but he discovered something new that would change everything. In 1961, a swimming pool company had applied for a permit to work on his house. But the strange thing is that the house did not have a pool. So why did a pool company apply for a work permit? With this new information, John knew that he had to take his research to the next level. So he hired a team of consultants who came completely ready to discover the mystery that was around John's house. Experts began walking through the garden with metal detectors, and in no time pointed to 2 locations. John picked up his shovel again and began digging at the 2 locations the research team had pointed out with their metal detectors. It wasn't long and he played something hard with the shovel. Upon discovering the structure, new questions arose, because it was not a sewer or a well. John deduced that it was an entrance to something, but what? At that point, John had to seek help from his friends, because he did not know what would be down there, and above all, he didn't know if it was safe. The structure was more than 50 years old and could easily collapse. After a while, it was finally time for John to go through the hatch. Looking closely at the hole, John couldn't believe what he was seeing. The metal plates were part of a spiral staircase. This man's imagination began to fly, and he decided to go all the way with the help of his friends. Although the excitement was great, John played it safe. The group of men devised a way to get down into the hole. They expanded and reinforced the entrance with steel and concrete. After the work was done, John was finally able to descend. Standing under his backyard, he was shocked to discover what a great mystery the house was in an underground bunker. These structures became famous during the Cold War period between the United States and the Soviet Union, as nuclear shelter from radioactive fallout. But something was making John noise. Why was the bunker built by a pool company? Due to high demand, the swimming pool company, Whitaker, decided to add bunker construction to the list of its service. Now it all makes sense. To restore the bunker, John created a fundraising campaign on GoFundMe, where he wrote, "Hello, this is John, and I need help restoring an old shelter that I've discovered in my backyard." To get him back to his old life, the bunker would need around $2,500. Soon the project was finished, and John reported that the stairway is finished. Now it's easy and safe to get on and off or to enter and exit. John's incredible discovery shows us, once again, that we do not know what's hidden under our feet. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.